What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to go through my boat a little bit. I want to introduce you guys, or reintroduce you guys to this boat. Kind of gone over this already in one of my first videos, but I've done some upgrades to it. So let's get started. First of all, I painted it black to match my truck, of course, so looks great. Now I did do some decking on this boat. Got stapled some black carpet to it, stainless steel hinges on this door. This battery's kind of overkill, but I got it for free as it was didn't pass load inspection for my engines that I deal with at work. So nice stainless steel hinges, have nice 6-inch pedestals and swivels on the bottom of the boat's seats. So this seat I want to replace, but no big deal. That'll be the next thing. This, I kind of just did this really quick, this floor. Basically put two 2x6s on the bottom or underneath, and then I screwed 7/16 hardwood, which oak can withstand the moisture a little bit better out of all the hardwoods. So that is pretty much it, and then I just stapled more carpet down. Fixed it here, and I put some nice little L brackets just because I wanted it to be able to stay if I have to turn the boat upside down for the duration of the winter here in Michigan. I run a 7.5 horse 2-stroke Mercury. Does pretty well. I'm kind of playing with the trim right now as I'm learning a little bit more with this boat. 3-gallon gas tank. I run a Minn Kota 30-pound thrust trolling motor, which is completely fine for this boat. I ran some nice little plugs to a quick disconnect for the power, male and female. And I ran some direct burial wire as my power source, direct from the battery. Try to keep my I like using canoe paddles. I don't like using oars for rowboats as they're big and cumbersome, but canoe paddles are really helpful. Got some nice custom stickers. I'll tell you guys about Higgins Challenge and after this quarantine stuff. And of course, you know how to have a nice flip up beer holder. I would say cold beverage, but you all know when you're in a boat you have to drink a beer. So down here I put built a little box. Inside of here is a little bilge pump, and I ran it directly to a switch underneath. It's on fused load wire, so there is a 15-amp fuse in case of any unfortunate events. So this is basically I like to call this my oh shit button in case I have to start pumping water. But before I painted this boat, I went through and JB welded a lot of the rivets. A lot of you in the boat community are probably going to say I did it wrong, but I tried to keep this project cheap, simple, and quick. And then the paint is just a Rust-Oleum oil base, and I went through and scuffed the whole boat and put, I think that's 3 coats on, and did the entire thing in black. It's a gloss black. So that's about it. It's been a really cool project, really fun, and I can't wait to get it out on the water. Now we have permission now, so we can go out and we can have at least 2 people in a boat, which that's pretty much a 2-person boat. I'm not going to do anything more than that. So Once again, I'm Justin with JB Outdoors. If you're new here, please subscribe, hit the like button, and the notification bell for notifications when I drop a new video. Gonna be out fishing in this boat soon. Hopefully have some footage of me catching some big fish this whole summer. So everybody have a good one. Please stay safe, stay healthy, and happy.